Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we break down health topics in a way that's easy to understand and fun to learn. Today we're diving into something super important but often misunderstood: blood pressure. Have you ever had your blood pressure checked and wondered what those numbers actually mean? Let's break it down. First things first, what is blood pressure? It's a term we hear all the time, but do we really know what it signifies? Blood pressure is the force of blood pushing against your artery walls. Imagine it like water flowing through a hose. The pressure is the force that the water exerts on the walls of the hose. In our bodies, this hose is our arteries. It's measured in two numbers, but what do these numbers actually represent? The first number is the systolic pressure, which is the higher of the two numbers. This measures the pressure when your heart beats and pumps blood into the arteries. Think of it as the peak pressure in your arteries. A normal systolic pressure is less than 120. If your reading is below this number, that's a good sign. The second number is the diastolic pressure, which measures the pressure when your heart rests between beats. This is the lower of the two numbers. A normal diastolic pressure is less than 80. So, if your reading is below this number, you're in the clear for diastolic pressure too. So what do these numbers mean? Why are they so crucial for our health? If your blood pressure is 120 over 80 or lower, that's considered normal. This means your heart and arteries are functioning well. Keep up the healthy habits. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and avoiding stress can help maintain these numbers. If your blood pressure is between 120 and 129 systolic and below 80 diastolic, that's considered elevated. This is a warning sign that you need to be more mindful of your lifestyle choices. It's time to be mindful of lifestyle changes, incorporate more physical activity, eat healthier, and manage stress better. And if your blood pressure is 130 over 80 or higher, this is a red flag. You have high blood pressure, also known as hypertension. This condition requires immediate attention and possibly medical intervention. This can lead to serious health problems like heart disease, stroke, or kidney issues. These are life-threatening conditions that can be prevented with proper management. Now, why does this matter? Why should we care about these numbers? High blood pressure is often called the silent killer because it usually has no symptoms until it's too late. You might feel perfectly fine and still have dangerously high blood pressure. That's why regular checks are so important. They can be life-saving. Make it a habit to check your blood pressure regularly, whether at home or at your doctor's office. So how can you maintain healthy blood pressure? What steps can you take to ensure those numbers stay in the safe zone? Here are a few tips. Simple yet effective ways to keep your blood pressure in check. First, eat a heart-healthy diet. This means incorporating foods that are good for your heart and overall health. More fruits, veggies, whole grains, and less salt. Reducing salt intake can significantly lower your blood pressure. Second, stay active. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week. Physical activity strengthens your heart, making it more efficient at pumping blood. Third, reduce stress. Meditation, deep breathing, and good sleep can help lower blood pressure. Stress management is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. And lastly, avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Both can raise blood pressure over time and lead to other health issues. Both can raise blood pressure over time. Quitting smoking and moderating alcohol intake can have immediate and long-term benefits for your blood pressure. Alright folks, knowledge is power. The more you know about your blood pressure, the better you can manage it. When was the last time you checked your blood pressure? Make it a regular part of your health routine. Let me know in the comments and tag someone who needs this reminder. Sharing this information can help others stay healthy too. Stay healthy and see you next time. #blood pressure #, heart health #, know your numbers. Remember, your heart health is in your hands.